What if one of the simplest ways to support healthy blood flow at night isn't a pill, powder, or expensive supplement, but something already sitting in your kitchen? If you're over 60 and your feet get cold at night, your legs feel heavy, or you sometimes wake up with cramps or tingling, there's one natural pathway you should know about: nitric oxide. And one amino acid can help your body make it: L-Citrulline. Tonight, I'm going to show you 4 foods ranked from good to best for providing L-Citrulline and supporting healthy circulation, especially around bedtime. And number 1 may surprise you because we're not talking about another supplement. Blood pressure and vascular activity naturally change during sleep. Your body enters a different physiological state, and for some older adults, nighttime circulation can become especially noticeable. This is where nitric oxide becomes interesting. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule produced by the body that helps blood vessels relax and widen. One pathway involves L-arginine being converted into nitric oxide. And here's where L-citrulline comes in. Your body can convert L-citrulline into L-arginine, helping support nitric oxide production. Research on L-citrulline supplementation has found improvements in certain measures of vascular function and blood pressure, although the evidence is stronger for supplements than for ordinary food portions. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. Let's start. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic isn't one of the richest sources of L-citrulline, but it contains sulfur compounds that have been studied for cardiovascular benefits. When you crush fresh garlic, it helps form allicin, a bioactive compound. Here's a simple kitchen tip: after crushing garlic, let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. You can add it to vegetables, chickpeas, soups, or salads. But remember, more isn't better. Large amounts of raw garlic can cause heartburn or stomach irritation, and garlic supplements may interact with some medications. Number 3. Chickpeas. Chickpeas aren't a major L-citrulline source either, but they are excellent for healthy aging. They're packed with fiber, plant protein, potassium, magnesium, and folate. That's important because healthy blood pressure and cardiovascular health depend on much more than one amino acid. Try adding cooked chickpeas to a salad or vegetable bowl at dinner. And if you're using dried chickpeas, soak and cook them properly. Number 2. Cantaloupe. This juicy fruit provides water, potassium, vitamin C, and carotenoids. Potassium is especially interesting because adequate potassium intake can help support healthy blood pressure in many people. Have a modest serving of fresh cantaloupe in the evening if it fits your diet. You can add a squeeze of lime for flavor. But don't mistake it for a medication or instant blood flow booster. The benefit comes from making nutrient-rich foods part of your overall eating pattern. And now we reach the real star. Number 1. Watermelon. This is where L-citrulline really gets interesting. Watermelon naturally contains L-citrulline, and the pale white portion underneath the green skin can contain substantially more citrulline than the red flesh. So don't automatically throw that part away. Remove the tough green skin, keep some of the white inner rind, and blend it together with the red watermelon. You can make a simple smoothie with watermelon and a small amount of the white inner rind. However, here's the important truth: watermelon isn't going to instantly clear blocked arteries or cure poor circulation overnight. Still, watermelon can be a delicious way to add L-citrulline to a healthy diet, without relying on pills. So what's the takeaway? Don't look for one magical food. Instead, build a heart-healthy evening routine. And don't forget the basics: regular physical activity, healthy blood pressure, adequate sleep, not smoking, and a balanced diet are far more important than any single food. Now I want to know, do your feet ever feel cold at night? Yes or no? And which one would you try first? Watermelon, cantaloupe, chickpeas, or garlic? Comment below, and subscribe to HealthEclipse for more science-based healthy aging tips.